Today is glazing day in the art room, and you will notice that things look a little bit different around the room. We will be working at different stations today, and the first station will be seated at these chairs. While at this station, you will be watching a video, and you need to be in your own space, quietly waiting. I will be watching to see who is doing their job, and that is how I will decide who gets to glaze. At the tables, we will be painting our clay with glaze. Be sure to put your brush back on your brush plate when you are done using it. When you are glazing, you will notice that the colors don't look quite the same in the beginning as they do after they come out of the kiln. Each color will get a little bit brighter and will be shiny when it is all finished. These are some of the colors: pig pink, brick red, lemon, gray, and you can see what it looks like when it's finished right here. Orange, mint, which looks like mint green ice cream, sky blue, which gets to be a little bit brighter, caramel, which looks just like the caramel that you eat when it's finished, grape, which looks kind of light purple when you start but dark purple when you finish, raspberry, which is kind of a pink purple, and this one is fudge. Fudge looks kind of like chocolate when it gets all finished up. There is also the color blue-green, and blue-green is on the other side right here. And it looks like this when we start with it. These colors will be laid out across the table, and you will need to decide which colors you are going to use. Remember that you should paint 2 layers of glaze onto your project. No more, no less. Paint carefully and be sure to fill in all of the spaces that you want to be glazed. Do not mix colors, and leave your brush at the color that you were using so that someone else can use the same brush. When you're finished painting, put your brush back on the brush plate and walk your clay over to me. I will put it inside the kiln, but here's a sneak peek at what it looks like. Don't forget, there should be no paint on the bottom of your project. Once your clay is in the kiln, you need to wash your hands and take a seat to finish watching the movie. Remember that your clay is now like glass and is very breakable. Be careful with it as you carry it and move around the room. If we all do our parts, we will all have a great day of glazing, and soon we'll have our projects back.